Alright guys, so we're gonna play like this, like decorate your skull dome. I already decorated some. I'm going like for like a cotton candy theme, kind of like that theme, cause don't get me wrong, I love cotton candy. Night right now, so the clothes there now. So I'm gonna show you guys the jump scare. It's scary. Well, that's beautiful, isn't it? So sorry guys, for making you guys mad or like scared. Dance on the floor. I love to dance. Dance on the floor. I love to dance. Bro, this scares me. 1, 2, 3. Well, I did see him. Don't blame me. Bro, if he goes, I'm like, if he like goes for good, I'm going to the store. 'Cause I know what that means. I want to have. Oh wait, never. Guys, I want, bro. Big. So for swearing. Lego. I'm not getting food for weekly. That's cute. But I don't know why they say that though. I'm always so good sometimes. So I'm going to the kitchen. Going to cooking. Okay. Cause like cotton candy. Cause like if you think about cotton candy, it give like pink, purple, and blue. Yeah. So I'm gonna add some purple soon. I'm gonna find purple then add it. Yeah. I think I need to put my bed here. It is too small. Nah, perfect. Yeah, beautiful. Now time to add purple. Let go! Bro, can I take that? I think fuck the man with kids who don't know me. Damn, the teacher man. And hope. This hope. To this. I'm gonna make a double birth. Yeah, I have a idea. I'm gonna drop this off on my dorm so I don't waste time. I feel like putting it, and then I will put it at night. Damn. So. Oh wait, my bad. That's real good, I think. No, there's something more. Wait. Where do you? Oh yeah, they were good. Nothing. Oh yeah, go get some plants. Oh Lord. Bro, that was so freaking scary. Huh. down. Okay, I think I forget everything. Did I do something? Yeah. Because I can't do something. I don't have to do something. What is today? Who the kid? Oh, the killer. The killer. Let me restart so I can start my Hungry on my face. That is a hack. Yeah, here you go. I don't know what this is. Oh, what is that? Oh, I hate him. Oh, I hate him. So, guys. To find the purple one, not the pink one. Bruh. There's no purple here. Oh, the purple, no, the pink. Hey. The one I have is exactly. What was I'm here for? Yeah. Oh yeah. Good. I don't know why people do that. I might plan to get over this. Yeah, honestly, guys, yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1, chapter. Nogara in school, yeah. Like, my school, like, in, like, 1 week. And I have to do the science summer assignment. And I feel like I'm cooked. Cause, like, that is, like, the most important assignment of my life. Like, it's like, I have to do it. Because, like, cause my teacher, like, I barely, like, passing maths, cause I barely passing, like, maths, or, like, science, cause like, I barely pay attention, but to the never classes, I do, cause, like, I'm sorry, but better, cause, like, they're just better, cause I'm sorry, okay. Cause like I'm sorry, the bit. Oh yeah. Yeah, time went. Bye bye. They took up so much into me. Go. Give me the water. Bro, I'm getting food. I'm such a big bro. Give me that hot dog. Burger. Yeah. Come. My room gonna be such a diva, guys. So for real. This video might be the longest and the longest one ever and the bobbiest one. No, actually, all my videos are boring. Yeah. Oh, I hate. Oh yeah, I did. Don't. Wait, what color though? Okay, yeah, I think. Oh, how I love this stuff. Yeah, comfort. Just okay, I'm gonna show you guys it. Is it that scary? Can I think it is? You guys tell me. I'm trying to go there at night, not in the morning. Oh, I keep closing the door. Let's see them, man. Listen. It's not open for my attention. Snow what? Never mind. Boy. It's one for me. Me, what I mean, I can dance anywhere. Wait, let me show you. There, and there. Oh, so sorry guys, I accidentally cut. There we go. Yo! Ha ha ha! Go see. Jeez, it looks so fun! I'm seeing this. Right? Got away this small. Wait, I'm gonna do that. Lucy. Yeah, guys, I'm doing that. That's so smart. Literally. I'm so naughty, guys, right? So I'm gonna do that. That's smart. Give me that count. Cause I'm doing it. What? The texture. Let's see the texture meeting. Classic. No. What should I get from here? Yeah, nothing. Yeah, clean out some things. I don't know why I look around like. Yeah. Thank you. Oh my god, it's been so long since I did a video. Well, so I'm gonna get a big cup and put it in that and put it in that soup thing. Good idea. No, I want to be near the window so I can watch it. Yeah, and watch them suffer. I'm gonna destroy it. Yeah. Bro, I need to get another Burger Coke now. Oh wait, I need to make a doctor. Then I will get a big cup. Well, glad that you're here. Damn. Why can't we just like get off? Damn. Going to rage at her so bad right now. She's like wasting my day time. Extra room? Nah, no thank you. Let's see. I want to see the monster. I'm seeing the monster. I'm gonna show you guys again. We do like the dog one when I started playing. Yeah, I forget sometimes. They're good fun. Yep. Yeah. I can't let down. Never try that again. We can try that again. I don't know why, but I'm a sleepy cat. I need to go fix it. Put it down, put it down. Don't you come down? Come on, can I? Can I? Can I? Okay. No. That's cute. Oh, okay. What did you say? Yeah, just want to so annoying. There you go. Luna. Well, I guess that's the end for the video today. So I won't be playing this. Maybe I will. Wait, let me sit down because I'm being kind of my pixel magazine needs some rest. Okay, the topping. Yes, so thank you for watching this video out to the end. You're awesome if you do that. I don't really do video, but if you do, you're awesome and you're beautiful. And I don't care if you didn't watch the video until the end, you're still awesome and beautiful. Well, bye. Let me just sit down. Where is it?